Assalamualaikum class 5. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 29th of November 2021 and the day is Monday. Fine. So first of all, welcome to again online class. On every Monday you have a video lesson for every subject. So in this lesson we are going to repeat the whole conversions which we have done in our previous whole week. Fine? Okay. Now I am going to start from conversion of distance. So class, as you know, we have discussed already the units for distance are the first unit which we have discussed for distance is kilometer. Fine? Kilometer, and we will represent as short form which is km, kilometer. Fine? Now, the second unit for distance is centimeter. Centimeter. And the short form of centimeter is cm. Fine? cm. Now, we have a unit which measure distance is meter, and we will represent in the short form of meter as m. Clear? Meter as m. In the end class, we have also a unit to find distance which is millimeter. Millimeter. So we will represent it as double M, and we will say as millimeter. So double M is used for millimeter, small only single m is known as for meter, cm for centimeter, km for kilometer. So these are the units which we will use to measure distance. Okay? So in this lesson class, first of all we have a conversion for kilometer into meter. The first conversion of kilometer into meter. Now I am going to write it. Kilometer into meter. Okay? And the short form of kilometer into meter we will write as km into m. So very first task you have to know, which I told you many times, how many meters we have in 1 kilometer. Who will tell me? Yes, Ayman, you tell me. Very good. In 1 kilometer we have 1000 meter. Clear? And we are going to move kilometer into meter. So what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे class? Who will tell me? Yes, Aban, you tell me. Very good. We will simply use 1000 as our conversion factor. Fine? Because we have already learned in 1 kilometer we have 1000 meter. Fine? So I will write 1000 as a conversion factor here, and I will use multiplication. I will use multiplication. Class, why I will use multiplication here? Yes, who will tell me? Soumya? Very good. As I told you class, in conversions, especially when we are going to larger into smaller, we will use multiplication. ऐसे ही है? Very good. So हम usually जब पढ़ते हैं कि हमने किसी चीज को इंक्रीज करना, if we want to increase something, we will simply multiply to get the answer. Very good. And if we want to decrease something, so we will simply divide it. But in conversions, we will multiply when we will move larger into smaller. जब हमने छोटे से बड़े में जाना है, हमने बड़े से छोटे में जाना है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We will use multiplication. Whenever we will go from larger into smaller, we will use multiplication sign. Clear class? Now I have an example. I have 12 kilometer and I want to go into meter. I want to go into meter. So what would I do? Yes, Alvina, you tell me. Very good. I will simply multiply by 1000. In the end, when I will write multiply by 1000, because we have learned in 1 kilometer we have 1000 meter. So basically the conversion factor is based on the greater unit. ठीक है? जो greater unit के ऊपर depend करेगा. So we will use 1000 here and we will use multiplication here because we will go larger into smaller. In the end class, you will write the unit in which you are going. So we are going into meter and we will use the short form of meter in conversions is small m. So I will write after 1000 only m. Clear? Now I am going to solve it. 1000 multiply by 12. 20 times 0, 20 times 0, 20 times 0, 1 times 2. Again 10 times 0, 10 times 0, 10 times 0 and 1 times 1. So in the end class we will add it. So 0, 0, 0, 2 and 1. We have in the end is 12,000. And we will write meter in the end because of we will moving kilometer into meter. Fine? Don't forget to write the unit in which you are going. Am I clear? Fine. Now there is another conversion which is meter into kilometer. So अब ये इसका vice versa है. पहले हमने पढ़ा किलोमीटर इंटू मीटर. नाउ वी हैव मीटर इंटू किलोमीटर. फाइन. नाउ सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्लास, एज वी नो द कन्वर्जन फैक्टर इज बेस्ड ऑन द ग्रेटर यूनिट. किलोमीटर को हम क्यों यूज करते हैं? Because we want to find the longer distance and meter we will use meter after kilometer. जब हमने उससे थोड़ा सा लेस फाइंड आउट करना होता है तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं, मीटर. नाउ इन 1 किलोमीटर वी हैव 1000 meter. Fine, but we have right now the conversion is meter into kilometer. This is smaller one and this is larger one. So whenever we will go smaller into larger, we will divide and we will divide by the conversion factor. So here we have a conversion factor is 1000. Fine, 1000, and we will use divide. As I told you class many times, whenever we will go smaller into larger in conversions, we will divide it. Fine. Now let's take an example here. I have 12,000 meter and I want to go into kilometer. So what would I do? क्या करूंगी मैं? Very good. I will simply divide it by 1000. So here I will write 1000 divided by 12,000 divided by 1000. And in the end I will write the unit in which we are going. Fine. In the end we will write the unit we are going, which is kilometer here. We have to go meter into kilometer. हमने कहाँ जाना है, किलोमीटर में. So in the end, after writing the conversion factor, we will write the unit which are going. Fine. Now I will simply divide it 12,000 by 1000. So as you know class, 1000 12 times 12,000. I will write here, and in the end we have 12. So when we will divide 12,000 by 1000, we have 12. So 12 kilometer we have in the end. So this is how we will convert units. Clear? First we have done kilometer into meter. Now second we have meter into kilometer. Clear class? Now next we have a conversion which is meter into centimeter. Meter into centimeter. Meter into centimeter. Okay class? Now first of all we have in 1 meter we have 100 centimeter. So in both of them, who will tell me which unit is larger? हम कौन सा यूनिट लार्जर डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करने के लिए लेते हैं? यस हुज़ैफा, यू टेल मी. वेरी गुड. वी विल टेक मीटर एज to measure larger unit and centimeter for smaller units. Fine. Now in 1 meter class 100 centimeter are present. 1 मीटर में कितने सेंटीमीटर होते हैं? 100. In 1 centimeter we have 100 centimeter. Fine. So class, we will simply going meter into centimeter. We want to go meter into centimeter. हमने कहाँ जाने, मीटर से सेंटीमीटर में. So we have a conversion factor which is 100 because the conversion factor is basically depend on greater unit. So here we have a larger unit from meter and centimeter is meter. Clear? Now in the end we will simply apply or assign a sign with 100. So as I told you class, when we are going larger into smaller, we will simply multiply. We will use multiplication. So here I will write multiplication sign. Fine? I will write multiplication sign. Now I am going to repeat, whenever we will go from larger into smaller, we will use multiplication. And the conversion factor is basically depend on the larger one. So here we have, so as you know class, in 1 meter we have 100 centimeter. Am I clear? Now we have, so let's take one example of it. I have 10 meter and I want to go into centimeter. I have 10 meter and I want to go into centimeter. What would I do? क्या करूंगी मैं सिंपल? Very good. I will simply multiply by 100 to change into centimeter. Fine? Now here I will write the number which is 10 and I want to change meter into centimeter. I will multiply by 100. Here I will write multiplication of 100 and the unit in the end which I am going to move. Fine? Which is here meter. So I am going to multiply by 100 in the end and I will write the unit in which I am going to move. So here class, as you know, when we will move meter into centimeter, we will write the unit which is centimeter. So we will use cm, which is the short form of centimeter. Am I clear? Now in the end I am going to multiply 10 by 100. So 100 into 10. I am going to multiply from here, which is the rule of multiplication. Now the first digit from the right side is 0. 0, 0 times 0. 0, 0 times 0. 0, 1 times 0. Now I will write multiplication sign below 0 because I have done with one digit number, which is 0 here. Now the next number, which is 1, I am going to multiply this one with this 100. So 1, 0 times 0, 1, 0 times 0 and 1, 1 times 1. So in the end class, we will simply add it. Simply add it. So class, in the end I will add the whole. Now in the end, which is 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0 and we have 1. So in total we have 1000. We have 1000. And the unit we will write in the end in which we are going to move, which is centimeter. I am going to repeat it class. You have to listen very carefully. We have a conversion which is meter into. So class, in the end we will simply multiply by 100 to get unit changing, which is meter into centimeter. So we will use 100 as a conversion factor and we will multiply because we are going larger into smaller unit. Fine? So this is all we have done 3 conversions today. We have already done in previous week. You have to listen, you have to see and done in your notebook. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.